We're jumping right into an infected game. I did not get the beginning of this game for some reason. Something happened with the file. So we're about 5 minutes into the game right now. And like I said, it's an infected game. I don't have any zoom cam today because I'm using a Bizon, and I've had this gun for a year or so, and they do not make the clips for it anymore. So I made a modification so it will accept an AK clip. Now that I look back at the footage, this smoke didn't really do much. These guys get hit a second before I come around the corner.
Johnny went the other way? Okay. Hey guys, when you get ready to go over by the tank and push that side. We got to trap them.
Like I said earlier, this gun's an Apex Bizon, and they do not make a clip anymore, and it's not the same size as all the other ones. So here's a picture of the modification I made. Just a piece of metal with a rivet in it. And I noticed a picture online somewhere that someone did this before. And so I thought I'd give it a try, and it worked great all day.
Yeah.
Now we found the enemy into the city, and the other half of our infected mob is down by Yellow Station, pushing in by the tank. So we're trying to just pinch them here now.
Graydon's in the one on the left.
I wish I did have a zoom cam for this, but I guess that makes the video editing go a lot quicker.
Okay. Cooper's in the one straight in front of us. I ain't got many rounds with this thing, so. That was nothing for us. I just got shot by probably the same guy.
If you watched my zombie worm game, that was a grenade arrow from Graydon. So I didn't see it, but it hit the wall as I walked out in front of it. And we usually play 15-foot burst radius, so he got me with it.
You're all right. Hey, red! One in red, one right behind red. Straight in front of you, Mike. One in red, Graydon's in red. Throw a grenade on him. Throw a grenade on him!
Okay, this was my first full game with the Bizon, and I was happy with it. It's not a $500 gun, but it did the job. If you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe.